Hi, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing, coming back to you with another Tuesday digital tips and tricks. So today I've got some big news. This is late breaking. It was just announced that TikTok has just overtaken YouTube for the average watch time in both the US and the UK. Now this is huge. YouTube has been the #2 search engine behind Google. Google owns YouTube, and now the average watch time has been overtaken by an app that most people think is just for kids. Well, if that's what you think, you need to think again. Mainstream brands such as Applebee's, you've probably seen their new commercial with the fancy like TikTok style video. They're making a killing with this. People watch TikTok. Special shout out to one of our clients, Life Management Center, who took advantage of this too. Now they're in mental health and they do all kinds of other things for the community, but they got in on the TikTok action. They created a TikTok style video to fancy like this last week, posted it on their Facebook and social media channels, and even their CEO got involved. So if you think that TikTok is maybe not your audience or not your style, I want you to really rethink that, because people nowadays, they don't want to be marketed to, and most of the times they don't have to be. So think about how you can show who you are and what your business is like without always just selling your product. You want to make sure you're selling yourselves and who you are, because authenticity is what is key today, and that's what consumers want. So check out TikTok, go grab your teenager, go grab your kids, and get on their phone and see what it's all about. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. KeriganMarketing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital tips and tricks.